Path to Equality, a short moral story. Alia was a kind and compassionate girl with a love for reading and writing. Her older brother was also a bright and hard-working student. Alia's teacher often encouraged her, saying, "You will achieve excellent grades and earn a scholarship." One day, Alia shared her aspirations with her parents. Her aunt, who was visiting, reacted with surprise and disapproval. "What? Alia, higher education is of no use for a girl," she exclaimed. "You should stay home and help your mother with chores like dusting, cooking, and stitching." Alia felt disheartened and retreated to her room. That evening, her father came to check on her. With kindness in his voice, he reassured her, "Never believe that you cannot pursue higher education. You are intelligent and capable. You deserve every opportunity to fulfill your dreams." Alia's face lit up as she responded, "Papa, I was thinking the same, why not me?" Overcome with joy, she hugged her father tightly. Her older brother, moved by her determination, resolved to support her in her studies. Today, Alia is a doctor, dedicated to providing excellent care to her patients. Moral: opportunities should be equally accessible to everyone, regardless of gender. Thank you for watching.